Grill Girl here. This part we're talking about today is not an igniter, but it definitely affects if your igniter system works properly. The other piece of the ignition system that's kind of part of an ignition system, but not really part of an ignition system, but one of the most common reasons an ignition systems fail is this guy right here. This is called a carryover tube. And some grills have it that go all along the back. Some grills have it where this is screwed into the burners anywhere along the burner, up at the front, down at the back, anywhere. Gas from a lighted burner can go to the gas that's flowing in an unlighted burner. And the reason that this was manufactured this way was so that you could have an electrode at only one burner, but maybe you'd have 3 burners in your grill. So the grill manufacturers designed it so that you only had the ability to physically light one burner, but then that flame that's now on your lit burner would travel through the gas that's flowing in this carryover tube. So the concept of the name is that it would carry the light from one burner over to the other burner. And then once this burner is turned on, then that would light the gas in this burner. And then you'd have one in between every single burner. And that's how each burner lights as you turn it on, if your grill happens to work that way. If one burner lights, but the other burners don't light, you want to check into these carryover tubes to make sure that you don't have big gaping holes where the gas is all escaping. If you have something like a collector box, you'll want to look at those to make sure that your collector box is actually intact. It doesn't have any big gaping holes where your gas is escaping.